So we've all heard the term tech stack chaos, right? And that's where an all-in-one type solution can be very powerful, particularly in the sales and marketing piece of that stack, right?
Yes.
Where we need to be really, really effective at taking potentially high-value leads, ingesting those correctly, managing them, engaging them, nurturing them through to higher conversion rates so we can see better returns.
Yeah, it's the most important thing. So typically when you think about those realtors that I talked about before, where they sit in the world of being a realtor, they'll all come up with some form of marketing budget. And when I say marketing budget, that's everything from the postcard to the bus bench to buying leads from whoever they're buying them from, social media, and they're putting them into a system, right? So what you're looking for is the best return of investment from those leads and which ones are performing the best. So a really good realtor will do that analysis, but the system typically will shuffle those leads through, and on a broker level even more so, and actually give you the information back saying, hey, these leads, the ones you're buying from Zillow or realtor.com are performing better than the ones you're getting from your social media site, right? Ultimately, what it turns down to is a conversion, because when you think about how much a real estate agent is going to make off each transaction that they actually complete, that's where it becomes super important, right? So if I got a lead from Facebook and it generated 30 grand in commissions for me, I'm going to keep going back there because that's where it was. The great thing about the systems today and that chaos that you talk about is most of the systems, well, some of the systems I'll say, do that all for you, right? They help you prevent that tech chaos because they are taking the lead right from the start and putting it through a lot of automation. Yeah. The realtor might not touch it for 6 months, but the system was working behind them to guarantee that that lead continues to be worked. Up to the point where 18 months later, you might transact with someone, and it might be that Facebook lead you got in 2019. So again, it's all about how well you use the system, how much time you spend in the system, what the mobile app is going to help you do, because realtors typically are mobile, so it's not necessarily just about the desktop. So you have to have not only a fully featured desktop product that you can sit at your office at 10 o'clock at night or 9 o'clock in the morning or whenever you're doing your work, but also a strong mobile app that can help you when you're at open houses, when you're waiting for a customer at a coffee shop, or you're in your car, however you look at it.